Hello, it is February the 1st, and we're ready for lesson 32 in A Course in Miracles workbook. I have invented the world I see. Yesterday was I am not the victim of the world I see. And the reason we're not a victim of the world I see is because I have invented the world I see. We have amazing power as children of God, or as the Course calls it, as sons of God. We're all sons of God. Can we start seeing ourselves as that way, with all that power? The works that I shall do, ye shall do, and greater, because I go to the Father. That was the words of Jesus 2,000 years ago. So I have invented the world I see. Before we read that, I wanted to show you these pansies. They are cold weather flower. They grow through the winter, and they don't take a whole lot to get them to bloom. I expect these were probably blooming in a greenhouse. I just got them today, but they may have been blooming outside. We'll see exactly how cold they can take, and I'm going to play with them and learn. But they taste good. They have a good flavor, and they're edible. I found this online under Elma's Skincare. It says pansies have diuretic, laxative, sedative, and expectorant properties and can be used as a gargle and blood purifier to get rid of noxious substances in the body. Also, one of the most popular edible flowers, both in salads and desserts. The flowers are sweet. So I hope to start growing way more pansies in my garden. Okay, lesson 32. Today we're continuing to develop the theme of cause and effect in I Have Invented the World I See. Today we're continuing to develop the theme of cause and effect. You are not the victim of the world you see because you invented it. Remember yesterday, I am not the victim of the world I see? Well, how could you be the victim of something that you made? We need to start owning our own power. We have an amazing amount of power. We're just not using it wisely yet. But that'll change. We're going to get wiser. You can give it up as easily as you made it. You can give what up? You are not the victim of the world you see because you invented it, and you can give up that world as easily as you made it up. You will see it or not see it as you wish. While you want it, you will see it. When you no longer want it, it will not be there for you to see. Paragraph 2. The idea for today, like the preceding ones, applies to your inner and outer worlds, which are actually the same. However, since you see them as different, the practice periods for today will again include two phases. One involving the world you see outside you, and the other the world you see in your mind. In today's exercises, try to introduce the thought that both are in your own imagination. Imagination. Imagine that. Our imagination is quite powerful. Paragraph 3. Again, we will begin the practice periods for the morning and evening by repeating the idea for today 2 or 3 times while looking around at the world you see as outside yourself. Then close your eyes and look around your inner world. Try to treat them both as equally as possible. Repeat the idea for today unhurriedly, as often as you wish, as you watch the images your imagination presents to your awareness. Paragraph 4. For the 2 longer practice periods, 3 to 5 minutes are recommended, with not less than 3 required. More than 5 can be utilized if you find the exercises restful. To facilitate this, select a time when few distractions are anticipated and when you yourself feel reasonably ready. Paragraph 5. These exercises are also to be continued during the day as often as possible. The shorter applications consist of repeating the idea slowly as you survey either your inner or outer world. It does not matter which you choose. The idea for today should also be applied immediately to any situation which may distress you. Apply the idea by telling yourself, I have invented this situation as I see it. So I have invented the world I see, both our inner world and our outer world. And remember, the outer world is an effect of our inner world. So if things are happening in your outer world that you don't like, well, then look inside and let go of the cause and begin to see a new cause, one that truly makes you happy, one where love and peace are guiding you instead of fear and anger and all those negative things. So remember, you're powerful, and because you are created in the image of God, and we're going to use that power to bring love to ourselves and the world, which is what salvation is. So until tomorrow, see that goodness and feel your own power and see God's goodness in everything, like these pretty pansies. Anyway, have a nice day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.